What's up, everyone? This is DREADPOOL. Today we have an unboxing, and it's going to be kind of a surprise for you. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but if you look at the description, you probably already know. But we'll go from there. Let's see what we got here. They did some damage to the box. Hopefully nothing on the inside is damaged, but you can see we got some damage right here. Of course, this is the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 Collector's Edition box. So, come on. Oh, look at that. Do it this way. Wow, that's pretty cool. Got a nice poster. I don't know how well you can see with the flash on. I'll probably scan a picture and send it up to you. We got some pins. These are pretty cool. What else we got in here? I guess we gotta open it. Doesn't tell me what it is. Oh, pretty cool. We got a little postcard. Make sure there's no points on here. Alright, then advertisement for a ray gun. And then nice little picture. Alright, let's dig deeper into this. Ooh, look at this. I am so glad that this has extra cushion. Alright, let's see if we can pop this baby out. It's in there pretty good. Huh. And we got a postcard of Rust. Somehow I missed that one. Look at this baby. Nice little plaque to hang up on the wall. That's pretty cool. So we got the plaque, we got the postcards, we got pins, and we got a poster. So again, thanks for watching. I'm going to enjoy these things and put them up several places. I might maybe do something special with these, or even these ones. I don't know yet, but we'll find out. Like and subscribe. Please share it out if you can. And if you're not subbed, I appreciate if you do sub. Thank you.